At Royal Co., we really differentiate based on how unique and special our products are, whether the educator is working in literacy or doing a craft project or even teaching a brand new math concept. Their Royal Co product is really helping them teach. Our products are used by educators all around the world to teach essential skills and bring their lessons to life. We're so creativity first, so everything that you see here is a unique idea and a completely different way of looking at that specific educational concept. And everything we do is not just demonstrative, it's hands-on. We want to put one of these in every single kid's hand because we believe they're better off with it. So right here in our facility, we design and manufacture hundreds of products from the very beginning concept through printing, through die cutting, through packaging. There's so many little steps along the way, and we're as vertical as we can be. Our company has been around for longer than 50 years, but in the late 90s, we relocated to South Carolina, where we've been right here ever since. We make new products all the time, all year round. It's always on our radar. And they will be as simple as one of our best-selling color diffusing shapes, or as complex as bringing in a whole new process, a whole new expert to support whatever the line is that we're working on. Because we do everything in-house, Royal Co has the capability to customize, change the pack size, change the label, whatever our customers need in order to do their jobs more effectively. Teachers, parents, principals, educators, daycare centers, preschools, all over the country and even around the whole world use our products to make learning exciting. Our products spark curiosity, engage students, and that opens up opportunities for those students, but also for all of us, for all of our futures, by getting them excited about learning.